Hello everyone, welcome to Spider Academy. In this video, we will see the next module in the file menu, which is Live News. So quickly, let's get started. In order to open Live News, we will click on File menu and then Live News. This window will appear. In order to connect with the live feed, click Connect. So it will show live news feed to us. So here, as I can see, we have multiple news like from several companies, NIBE, Remsen Industries, Infosys. So these are some of the live events happening in the market or live news basically we are getting. Ones which are highlighted in green are block trades. This helps you identify the block trades happening anywhere in the market. Or if I want to select my particular group, I can click here and select any of the groups. Let's say I want to look for the news in Nifty 500 only. So I'll select the group from here, Nifty 500, and it will show up the live news from Nifty 500 only. Once we have the news, let's say I want to open this particular chart directly onto my setup, my trading setup or template. I'll just click here. It will open the chart of Infi and Ramson Industries. So this is how I can open the chart directly from the new screen. And if I want to search news from a specific company, let's say I want to check news from TCS, if there is any or not. I'll type the name here, click fetch for, and there it is. It is showing from 1st of 9th of January. I can sort the date top down and it will show me the latest news. So as I can see, there are some block trades in TCS also on 4th of April, right? So if there is any latest update, I will get here in live news tab. Let's say if I want to search for any other Reliance I want to search for, I'll type the initials, click fetch for. Here we have the names. I'll click on Reliance. And there we have the news and I can sort it in order to check the latest news if there is any. And this test tab is not needed for the clients, so we can skip it. This is how we use live news feature. So that's it for now. Keep learning, keep earning. Bye bye.